these non-tradables, how do you create these jobs? Sir, the answer is education. Our education, what's happening is a lot of people are entering into degrees without thinking whether they are useful or not. Like during our time, all of us would go into BA, BCom, BSc. Now it's become engineering. So our education system, and as you know, we have proposed, has to think about culture, tourism. These are very valuable jobs, local jobs. People have to be trained on. Not everybody needs to be a postgraduate. Not everybody needs to have a PhD. Or we have to think about hands and getting hands dirty kind of jobs, and then you can graduate. Of course, there should be a way to graduate. After that, you want to study, you study and go up. So focus should be on that. And finally, on as an academic, you have to be a bit more, Mr. 𝗂𝗽𝗍, you have to be skeptical of government also. And this is why I said you should take notes when he speaks. I think government, there should be one principle though. While I appreciate a lot of fundamental things have come from government, like World War led to a lot of innovation, including the internet. But there needs to be one principle that when the government intervenes, there should be some market failure. That's where the government should come in. Now, a lot of times governments intervene without defining what the market failure is. If you don't define what the market failure is, and if you start doing things which markets can do better, then it's, you can go on a list where things have been a disasters also. So I think there is a market, in financing innovation, I agree. Markets do not, they do not have that long-term vision. You don't have, of course, the first attempt should be to develop those markets because government capacity is also limited. One thing with due respect, governments don't earn anything. It's the people who earn. So it's that people, we have to have that sense also. So I don't want to be an advocate of an unlimited government. That is not, at least I don't stand for. Of course, markets fail. And where markets fail, in the interest of people, and governments will have to come in. And I absolutely agree that, it's too big to fail is a very big, the biggest threat to markets are big market players themselves. That's what we have, I totally agree. So it has to be a balance, understand market failures, government failures, both of that, and walk a tightrope. It's not easy. It's easy for us to sit here and talk. People like you are on the ground who execute. It's not going to be easy. But, that's what seems to have worked throughout the world. Thank you.